Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in today's session we will be doing exercise 7.3 question number 5 from chapter number 7 fraction. So let me remind you for this is we are doing from page number 147 of Maths NCERT book. So question number 5 state that find the equivalent fraction of 36 by 48 with numerator 9. The question is very and exactly similar to that of question number 4 which we have done yesterday, but only the difference which you are going to find. Okay, so you have to make this fraction equivalent to the numerator 9 but the denominator is not given. So this will be the form which we are going to write. Alright, so here you can see in this part the numerator and the denominator are in such form which can be reduced or which can be converted into the simpler form, right? So I can do like this: 2 18s are 36. So whenever you are deducting, the numerator and the denominator part should be deducted with the same number. So I am using 2 here to deduct both the number. 2 18s are 36, 2 24s are 48, 2 9s are 18, 2 12s are 24, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So whenever you are doing such sums or some problem, so it's a request to all of you that convert this into the simple form. So the simpler form of 36 by 48 will be 3 by 4. Now you can do it in an easy manner. Use a simple technique, use a concept of solving the problem. Do not do the sums in an hectic manner. Okay, in a hectic manner. So now you know that in order to reach from 3 to 9 you have to multiply with 3, right? So now in the denominator, of course, you have to multiply with 3. Yes, this is our hint which we are following from the regular basis, that is 4 3s will be 12. So our equivalent fraction, or you may write therefore the required fraction is 9 divided by 12. Yes, in which they have asked us to make an equivalent fraction where the numerator is 9. Yes, our numerator is 9 but denominator was not known to us, which we have found this, right? Okay, let's do number B now. We have to make the equivalent fraction of 36 by 48 where the denominator is 4, where the denominator is 4 and the numerator is not known. So you know that in question number A only of 5A we have converted this 36 by 48 into the simplest form, which was 3 by 4. So I'm not going to deduct this again and again, so you can take the help of this. Is equal to, that implies sign should be mentioned, then what do you have to do? 4 and the box there. So what I did in the next step, I have written 36 by 40. I have converted this 36 by 48 into the simpler form, which is 3 by 4. Now you can easily see that to reach 4 to 4 you just have to multiply with 1, because 4 1s is 4. Now multiply with 1 again, multiply with 1 again. So what you are going to get? 3 1s are 3. Why you are multiplying with 1? As because in the denominator case you have multiplied with 1, and in this case also you will be multiplying with 1. So 3 1s is 3. So here the answer is 3. Here the answer is 12, isn't it? So you will write at the last, therefore the required fraction is 3 by 4, in which they have asked us to make the denominator 4. I've done the same thing, 4, and the numerator which was missing is 3. Alright, so I hope you have understood this. Now with this we are over with question number 5. Let's proceed, head forward to the question number 6. So question number 6 says that check whether the given fractions are equivalent or not. So you all know that which one is equivalent, which one is non-equivalent fraction. I have already discussed in the previous class also. Okay, number A, let's verify this whether these are equivalent or not. 30 by 54. So you have to check these two fractions, the given pair of fractions are equivalent or not. So you can see here this and this. Looking at the first side, you will not be able to figure out whether they are equivalent or not. You will directly say that no, they are not equivalent, as because here the numerator is 5, here it is 50, here it is 9, here it is 54. So how they are matching? No, they are not matching. But there is one step to do, there is one step to follow, which you have to follow very compulsory. That in our previous sum, what we did, we have deducted this 36 by 48 into simpler form. Similarly, in 30 by 54 also, we have to convert this into the simpler form, right? So let's do that. 6 5s are 30, 6 9s are 54. So aren't you getting 5 and 9 in both the case, that is in numerator and denominator? So yes, now, so don't judge directly. So what you have to do, you have to convert this number into the simplest form. If after converting, if after deducing or converting or reducing this into the simpler form also, if you are not getting the value, same fraction, then you will say the given pair of fraction are not equivalent. So here you will write yes, 5 by 9, and don't write again 5 by 9, just simply write in the question whatever the fraction is given, you mention that only. Yes, 5 by 9 and 30 by 54 are equivalent fraction, as after reducing we got 5 by 9 only. So in order to get the same value, same fraction, what I did, I have divided both the number with 6. 6 5s are 30, 6 9s are 54. So yes, 5 by 9 and 30 by 54 are equivalent fraction, isn't it? So very easy sums it is. Let's do the next one, number B. So now you have to tell whether 3 by 10 and 12 by 50 are equivalent fraction or not. So I have already told you that don't judge directly, as because until and unless you deduct or remove or convert this value into the simplest form. So let me cut this. 2 6 are 12, 2 25s are 50. So 2 3s are 6. Sorry, it cannot be deducted. I cannot do this because I can only divide this with 2 3s, but I cannot divide 25 with 2. Or else I can divide this 5 5s, but I cannot divide this 6 with 5. So the fraction the final fraction will be 6 by 5. So 3 by 10 and 12 by, so you can write 12 by 20, 12 by 50 are not equivalent fraction, as because after reducing it also we are not getting 3 by 10 or 6 by 25 in both the case, are not equivalent fractions, isn't it? The sums are very easy. Just use your little knowledge, little concept to solve this. The sums are very easy. Okay. All right. So number 6C. I want you all to do it yourself. This will be a home assignment. All right. If having any problem, kindly share with me. Feel free to share with me. So to solve this sum also, you will be using the concept which we have done for question number 6A and B. Okay, so this much for today. In our next class we will proceed with the next sum. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.